Here we are back with the SQ, no, ASP this one's called, I think, the ASP 500. So we're getting a lot of water damage cells. Let's see if I can show you some. So we're getting water damage cells like this, like that. So water's getting in them. I'm trying to recover these batteries. I'm recovering these batteries as we speak. These ones are nearly done. We need them up to 4.2. They were right the way down on 1.1s. So anyway, we've replaced the batteries in the middle of this pack. That pack over there has been a substitute pack. So now we have 4.2. No, sorry, 4.1, 4.1. This one's a bit low. This is a 3.7, but I need to boost it up. 4.1, 4.1, 4.1, 4.1, 4.1, 4.1, 4.1. So now I need to take this onto the multi-pack and charge this by itself up to 4.1. Then solder all these back on and the BMS will kick in and it will start working and the lights will come back on. How do you take the pack apart? You've got to take all this string off. You've got to desolder all of the tags. And they come apart into individual blocks like this. Rip all the tops off. Rip all the tops off. Get yourself a little spot welder like this. Little one or a big one like that. You also need some charging devices to charge them up slowly at very low ampage. 0.5 amps. These are getting 0.2, 0.2, 0.25, 0.2, 0.1. 20. That battery doesn't look like it's doing very good because it's only getting 20 milliamps. But they need to go into this charger after that charger because this is just a trickle charger that brings them back to life. This one recovers them. Very boring video. ESQ battery. Which battery is it? Let's see if I've got one handy. ESE. And there's no light on that one, so I have to do exactly the same process on this one.